Social media can be a powerful tool to sell products and build a brand. Here are two main ways you can leverage social media for product sales. Sell your own products or merchandise. Build a brand. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. This includes your brand voice, visuals, and overall messaging. Showcase your products. Use high-quality photos and videos to showcase your products in an appealing way. Highlight the features and benefits of your products and how they can solve your target audience's problems. Run social media ads. Paid advertising can be a great way to reach a wider audience and target potential customers with specific interests. Leverage social commerce features. Many platforms like Instagram and Facebook have built-in features for shops, allowing customers to browse and purchase products directly within the app. Promote other people's products. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands to promote their products. You'll earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique referral link. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create content that features their products. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or social media posts, showcasing how you use the products in your daily life.